everyone! Thanks for tuning in to Crochet with LJ. Today I will show you how to crochet in the spiral. We'll be working in the round, but instead of finishing rounds and starting new ones, we just start in the center and work in a spiral outward. It's a very smooth look with no seam. It's also a great pattern for using multiple colors, which I'll go over in part 2 of this tutorial. But for part 1, we'll start with one color. Pick out a solid color worsted weight yarn, a size 4 millimeter hook, a safety pin and or stitch marker, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. Begin with a slip knot. Insert your hook. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a slip stitch in the first chain. We've just created a small loop. We're going to be working right into the center of the loop. Not right here, right in the center. Pull it apart, it's a little bit easier. We're going to be doing double crochet stitches. Quick refresh, that's just a yarn over. Insert and pull the yarn through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through 2. We're going to be making 12 double crochet stitches right through that center hole. I always count backwards just to make sure I have the right amount of stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that's where we're doing our next stitch. And instead of closing off the round, we're just going to keep continuing doing double crochet. We're going to do 2 into this first stitch. 1, 2. And now get your stitch marker and mark that first stitch you did in the second round so we know where to start the next round. Do 2 more double crochet into the next stitch. Again, 2 double crochet. We're going to do 2 in each stitch, so if we had 12 in the first round, we should have 24 in the second round. When you get back to the stitch marker, take it out. Now we're going to start round 3. We're going to start with 2 double crochet into the first stitch. Again, mark that first stitch you just did. And now do 1 double crochet into the next stitch and another 2 into the one after that. Now do 1 double crochet again and 2 into the one after that. Continue this 1-2 pattern around your circle. So at the end of this round, you should have 36 stitches in total. You should be ending your round with the 1 double crochet stitch, If you're not, or you're not sure you have the right amount of stitches, just go back and count. You should have 36. Take out your stitch marker. We're going to start the next round now, again with 2 double crochet into the first stitch. Again, mark your spot so you know where the rounds start. Now we're going to do 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 into the third stitch. Again, another double crochet into the next stitch, another double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the third stitch, and every third stitch for this round. So continue with the 1, 1, 2 pattern, and you should have 48 stitches by the end of this round. As you come to the end of your round, you can go back and count to make sure you have 48 stitches. Another way you can tell you have the right amount of stitches is if your pattern lays flat. That's a good sign. And also, you should be ending your rounds with that final set of 2 and 1, and then 1 double crochet and another 1 double crochet. And where you would be doing 2 in the next one, you're also starting your next round with 2 double crochet. Mark that first stitch you did. And now continue on by doing 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Again, 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the fourth stitch. So you can probably see how the pattern's unfolding now. We did 12 stitches, and then we did 2 double crochet in every stitch in round 2. We did 2 double crochet in every other stitch in round 3. In round 4 we did 2 double crochet every other 2 stitches, and in this round we will do 2 double crochet every 3 stitches. So from here on out, you are increasing by exactly 12 stitches per round. So this round we're doing should have 60 stitches. Hopefully the pattern's making sense. I've also drawn this diagram. Sometimes this is easier to see a diagram like this, so you can go ahead and pause your video and take a look at this if you like. Where the V's are where you increase by doing 2 stitches in 1. So pretty much that second round is all increases. Third round is 2, 1, 2, 1. Next round is 2, 1, 1, 2. Next round is 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on and so forth. Continue with your spiral for as many rounds as you would like. And check out part 2 of this tutorial if you would like to see how to do this pattern with 2 colors, and maybe we can even do 4 colors after that and really get crazy with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video if you guys found it helpful, and please feel free to leave comments below if you have any questions at all. Thanks for watching!